Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN. My name is Natasha.
And my name is Lily. We hope you all had a great spring break.
Students, this is your weekly reminder to bring your IDs.
But don't just bring your ID, you are required to wear your IDs at all times. If you do not have your ID, you will get lunch detention. And if it continues, this will result in a 2-hour detention.
As a reminder, Heritage bathrooms are closed at 3:25 every day. If you need to use the restroom in case of emergencies, you can find a staff member in the courtyard for assistance.
For any students wishing to have a yearbook for this school year, you can still buy one.
The link for the 2024 to 2025 yearbook is on the screen now. If you'd like to order your yearbook, visit the link on the screen and order yours today.
Panthers, the book drive will be on its last week. The National Honor Society will be at all lunches on Wednesdays and Fridays of next week.
Again, next week is the last week for your books donations. So come donate some books to help out our local elementary schools.
Speaking of donations, our student government/SGA spring cleaning drive has been extended through next week.
Please help and donate Please help and donate any
Donut?
Please help and donate any canned foods, clothing, toiletries, or any other non-perishable food items. You can drop these items off anytime in the media center. Put your items in the designated class boxes.
Attention all seniors and juniors. Prom tickets will be available starting April 7th. The cost for each ticket is $50.
Once you purchase your tickets, you must turn in the completed permission slip to see Miss Underwood in order to pick them up.
Our Powder Puff game is coming up really soon. For junior, there are opening spots still. If any junior is interested in playing for the junior team or even being on the cheerleading squad, see Miss Underwood to sign up.
For any 9th or 10th graders who does not know, on Tuesday, April 1st, there will be a state writing test. So make sure you come prepared and ready to pass this test.
You're lying. Juniors, did you apply for an internship?
If you did apply for one, there's a meeting with Doc Luna next Wednesday in the media.
Attention, are you or anyone you know interested in joining Heritage High School Band? Or even joining a band camp to get a feel for things? Well, then this announcement is for you.
Whether you're interested in doing percussions, dance, winds, flags, or even being a pianist, we've got you covered for anyone who joins Heritage as a rookie camp as well as a regular band camp.
If you or someone you know is interested, we have the dates listed on the screen now. If you would like to join, scan a QR code shown.
You remember what we said about pianists? As well as Heritage also is looking for someone who plays the piano. All level skills are welcome. If you or someone you know is interested, the QR code as well.
Attention, Coach Shelley in the Hosta Club wants everyone to know that this afternoon movie night fundraiser has been postponed. If we scheduled at a different time, we shall let you know.
Psst. Hey seniors, remember when we mentioned the prom tickets? Well, guess what? You may or may not have an extra special advantage.
What does that even mean?
Well, our seniors who wish to bring a guest, you have an opportunity to bring them. If you'd like to bring a guest, you must see Miss Sharon in the front office for the forms.
Okay, that's cool, but anything else?
Seniors also get a chance to get their tickets a little earlier, and there's a sale starting on April 2nd. Seniors can buy their tickets online for a cheaper price.
Nice! And speaking of prom, for any senior who would like to win from Prom King or Prom Queen, you must attend the mandatory meeting today. This meeting will be held in the Media Center at 2:30 p.m.
Another thing, there will be a senior meeting on Friday, April 4th. You will be dismissed from class during your second period.
For any senior who doesn't already know, Grad Bash does have a dress code. Some things are okay to wear casual tops, sunglasses, hats, comfortable shoes, jeans, and so on.
Some things that are not okay to wear are sleeveless tops, pants that fall down too short, down the waist, matching attires, and other things. If you have any questions or concerns, please see Ms. Underwood.
Attention all seniors! Class of 2025 Heritage Yard signs are still on sale for only $20. These signs will be customized with your senior photo or a photo of your choice and your name.
You can buy yours today by first opening your Focus page, select Purchase, and Pay. Then add your senior yard sign to the cart.
After you purchase, you must email your preferred picture and your name for the sign to Coach Stengel. His email is on the screen now.
For any seniors that are going to college or trade school, fill out the FAFSA for free money. To start this process, both the students and the parent must create their own FAFSA ID. It must be before you can start the FAFSA application.
For anyone who needs help with this process, here are some websites that could help.
If you show Mr. Mir a screenshot of the email that proves your FAFSA has been processed, just not submitted, she will enter you into a draw for an Amazon gift card.
Ooh. Speaking of applications, for any of you who have not yet completed your Bright Futures application, visit this website above.
Any seniors looking for scholarships, check out the 2024 to 2025 scholarship link on Heritage Guidance webpage, or you can even use the scholarship search engine as well.
In sporting news, next Wednesday, April 2nd, our boys baseball team takes on Viera at 6 p.m. and next Friday they will play St. Lucie.
Girls softball will play on Monday, April 7th at 6 p.m. against Space Coast, and the next day, Tuesday, April 8th versus Palm Bay High.
Next Thursday, April 3rd, our girls beach volleyball team will compete against Merritt Island Christian at 4 p.m.
Best of luck to all our Heritage teams.
That's all the news for this week. Panthers, thank you for watching. And remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue! Disappointment! Get away from me! Failure, 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 failure.
You did it wrong.
You're wrong.
Do what I'm doing.
Ow.
3, 2, 1. And we'll get up at like 2. Next Wednesday, April 2nd, our boys baseball team takes on Viera at 6 p.m. and
Oh, that's all the news for this week, Panthers. Thank you for watching. And remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!